Task 6, Technical Logistics, OPI Assessment Unit Focus Support Video. You will see the Pre-Assessment Activity section appear at the top of your school's AMS landing page, beginning on December 8th. This section provides a quick guide to which additional sections of the AMS are missing information. You can check here to see which sections of the AMS need attention and which are complete. After you complete a section, you should note a green circle in the completed column for that section. Task 6 is to confirm school devices are ready. Complete checks to confirm the school's Wi-Fi meets the minimum requirements and provides other details about school devices. The expected time commitment is about 1 hour. NAEP school coordinators, technology coordinators, and app installers should work together to complete this task. This task is for schools assigned to school devices and internet only. To navigate to the page that contains all the relevant information, where updates can be made, you should select the Manage button. School coordinators may designate a technology coordinator to complete this task on behalf of the school, since it's the coordinator's area of expertise. The school coordinator can send an invitation via the AMS to the technology coordinator by clicking on the plus symbol at the end of the technology coordinator line. Once the technology coordinator accepts the email invitation, then he will have access to the AMS. The first section is Review the School Technology Survey. You or the technology coordinator can review the information provided by the school's technology coordinator via Google Form in August. I submitted all the information into the AMS on behalf of the school. The next section is Confirm Device Readiness. Here you'll confirm the devices students will use, have the NAEP assessment application installed, and meet the device requirements using the 4-digit verification code. Review the instructions for completing the check on 50% of the devices to be used on assessment day. Let's discuss the completion of the device checks. The first number shown is the estimated number of devices required to complete device readiness check. This is 50% of the devices to be used on assessment day. Once the device check has been run, the operating system or systems of the devices will be listed as the second number shown. Next is the number of devices ready out of the number of devices the check has been run on. The last will show the date and time of the last device check and the summary of the devices which you can select and review. Next is the Confirm the Bandwidth, Safe Listing, and Wireless Access Point section. You will run a network check and confirm that the wireless access points available can support all the necessary connections on assessment day. Network check should be run in the school building, but does not have to be run in the testing location or locations. Select Run. The network check confirms required URLs are safe listed and that the school's Wi-Fi meets the technical requirements for assessment day. The check can take up to 2 minutes. Once finished, select Save and Close. Here you can see the check has been completed. If the network check fails, then there will be a caution indicator. If the network check has a caution indicator for bandwidth, you will be asked to try running the test again in a different location. If the network check has a caution indicator for safe listing, you will be asked to try safe listing the required URLs again, then to rerun the check. Also, you need to confirm the wireless access points can support the number of connections in the assessment location or locations. If there are no locations listed, then the school coordinator needs to complete Task 5, Assessment Logistics, and enter those location or locations before you can confirm wireless access points. The next two sections are Device Setup and Assessment Location Setup. Choose which option works best for your school and select Save. The Spare Devices, Charging, and Headphones section will indicate how the NAEP assessment team will access spare devices and charging cords, and details about headphone requirements for the school devices. To navigate the page where updates can be made, you should select the Edit button. The School Staff section will identify a school staff member to provide technical support throughout the assessment day. This person will meet the NAEP assessment team upon arrival to provide setup instructions and supporting the students at the start by troubleshooting device issues as they launch the NAEP assessment application. He should be available throughout the assessment and provide technical support. Once finished, select the Save button. Within the AMS, you can click on the blue Request Help button in the top right-hand corner of the screen. For technical questions, contact the NAEP Help Desk. For NAEP questions, please feel free to contact me, Chantel Niederstadt.